everyone, this is Selena with Trinity Stamps, and we're taking a closer look at the Shimmering Sea hot foil plate that's part of the Sweet Summer Celebration release. So let's take a look. This is a single hot foiling plate that measures approximately 5.6 by 2.75 inches, and it's compatible with most foiling machines. So here I have a piece of half A4 cardstock that I foiled. Also, you can use it with your die cutting machine to create a letterpress effect if you don't have foiling machine. Here I have sample where I have foiled it twice onto acetate, and here are a couple samples that I have foiled onto ink blended background. So now let's take a look at a few samples from our design team. We had the first one foiled on acetate, we have on colored cardstock, and another one on colored cardstock. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please also visit our blog for more ideas and more inspiration. Thanks for watching. Bye!